In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily connect your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi. Whether you're setting up a new TV or troubleshooting connection issues, follow these simple steps to get your TV online in no time. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Press the power button on your remote or the TV itself to turn it on. Step 2. Access the TV's settings. Press the home button on your remote. Use the arrow keys to navigate to settings, the gear icon, and press enter. Step 3. Go to Network Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to General and select it. Now, select Network from the list of options. Step 4. Select Network Type. Choose Wi-Fi as your connection type. The TV will begin scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Step 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, choose your Wi-Fi network. If your network is not listed, ensure that your router is turned on and broadcasting. You may need to move closer to the router. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to input it correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. Step 7. Test connection. Once you've entered your password, your TV will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If the connection is successful, you'll see a message saying, "Connected to the Internet." Step 8. Final check. To make sure everything is working, open any app or service that requires an internet connection, such as YouTube or Netflix, to verify the Wi-Fi connection. Troubleshooting tips. If your TV cannot find your network, try restarting your router and TV. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong enough and not interrupted by other devices. If the password is incorrect, double-check it and re-enter it carefully. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection if the Wi-Fi connection is unstable. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi. Enjoy streaming your favorite content directly on your TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.